morning, good afternoon and good evening to all. Welcome back to iself Academy and Excelsnippet YouTube channel. You are watching video number 15 in Excel User Series 4.0 and Club 365's fourth video. In today's video, we are about to see a data set, or I'm going to use one of the functionality that I've learned in a YouTube video from Lily Garcia, and I'm just improvising that right now with the logic called filter function. Again, this is an Office 365 formula. You may not be able to see them unless otherwise you have a version of 2019 version and above. In the filter formula, we can set up the date that I wanted to see exactly the same or greater than here. So I'm going to use a simple filter functionality. So I'm going to just say equals filter. And if you don't see the filter, and if you're seeing only filter XML, then probably you may not be able to get that information for you. And then when I give a tab, and then you can see the logic that comes as the list here. So this is the entire data set that I'm going to deal with. This is the array function. Then I'm going to give a comma, and if I want a to functionality here, I want to take a date that starts from 15th of January to 15th of March. So I'm going to give a to in between data set. So to create two conditions here, I'm going to use an AND condition inside a formula bar. I'm going to give an open brackets here. Then I'm going to choose all the dates here, and then I'm going to just say if any of these dates is greater than or equal to 50, then consider that as my first condition, and then multiplication symbol will add. I'll add a multiply symbol here, and then I'll open the bracket here, and then I'll redo the same logic. This time around I want to say anything which is less than equal to the one on the right hand side here. I can close the bracket here, and then I can close the bracket for the filter function. If you want to add an if condition kind of a structure here, then you can just go back to the last line and give a comma, and then in the if empty functionality, I can just say if there is no data set available here, you can say that please there is no data available in this particular dimension. At the moment it's going to give you the right answer because I have a data set between 15th of January to 15th of March. I have 4 transactions that falls on these dimensions here. So anything above or equal to 15 and anything below or equal to 15th of March is given here. Now if I change this data to 15th of April 2023, then my data set will automatically update here, and then I just have the formatting of the cell is not done for all the other dimensions, so I'm going to add that formatting here. By that way you can see the different date filtration options can be used beautifully, and this is the formula that I've used to achieve this. If you're using Office 365, probably this is the formula that you can use to get these data dimension work better for us. So this is how we do create a filter option for multiple date functionality. So if you want to calculate or if you want to extract data from 2 different dates, so this is the go-to functionality for us. This is Vinod signing out from iself Academy and Excelsnippet YouTube channel with Excel User Series 4.0 video number 15, Club 365 video number 4 here. Happy weekend, happy updating.